Today, Ether jumps to $3,400. Crypto miner Bitfarms explores adding AI computing to its business. And as hedge fund Elliott Management reportedly warns Trump's crypto coin embrace could wreak havoc on digital assets, we explore why the Trump meme coin is raising alarm bells for the industry. Welcome to CNBC's Crypto World. I'm Tanea McKeel. Digital currencies are mixed as we head into the weekend. As of noon Eastern, Bitcoin dipped 0.5% and traded right above the $105,000 mark. Ether, meanwhile, jumped 3.8% to $34.04, and Solana slipped 1.8% to $238. And crypto is closing out a strong first month of 2025, with Bitcoin rising 12% since the start of the year. Ether clawed its way back into positive territory after struggling against Solana this month and is pacing for a 1.8% gain. Solana is the biggest winner, up more than 20% after the president greenlit a meme coin mania. We'll get to that in a moment. First, let's catch you up on some headlines. Crypto miner Bitfarms is exploring adding high-performance computing and AI to its business model. In a release this morning, Bitfarms said it's engaging 2 consultants to explore an HPC strategy for its North American sites. The company's CEO said in a statement that based on active discussions over the past several months with HPC and AI partners and customers, we are confident that our North American portfolio pipeline, particularly sites located on the PJM grid, is strongly suited for HPC and AI. The PJM interconnection serves states from Pennsylvania to North Carolina. Now, this move from Bitfarms comes as pure-play Bitcoin miners have lagged those with AI infrastructure. Shares of Bitfarms are down 30% in the past year, while Core Scientific, for example, which has inked major AI partnerships with CoreWeave, soared roughly 340% in the same period. Today, though, shares of Bitfarms rose by roughly 1%. Next, hedge fund Elliott Management is reportedly warning that Trump's embrace of crypto could wreak havoc on prices. According to the Financial Times, Elliott warned in an investor letter that the firm had never seen a market like this and that crypto is ground zero for a speculative surge across markets. The firm pointed to the perceived proximity to the White House for crypto and said the inevitable collapse of a crypto bubble could wreak havoc in ways we cannot yet anticipate. All right, sticking with Trump's influence on crypto for our main story, some have raised ethical concerns around crypto projects tied to the president. In November, Chinese national Justin Sun, who was charged by the SEC, announced an investment of $30 million into the Trump family-backed project World Liberty Financial. And more recently, the crypto community had mixed reactions to the recent launch of meme coins in the likeness of the president and first lady. The launch of these meme coins came after a year of major mainstream legitimacy in the crypto space, thanks in part to some of the president's campaign promises. So why are some in the crypto space now concerned? Crypto World spoke with both Bitcoiners and meme coin traders to get their reactions to the launch and to discuss the growing ethical concerns surrounding the president's embrace of meme coins.
3 days before he took office, as Donald Trump was preparing for his inauguration, those close to him were also hard at work, launching a new cryptocurrency. On the night of Friday, January 17th, Trump Token launched with a simple post on social media. Unlike Bitcoin, it didn't promise to protect against inflation or envision a future of decentralized money. Trump instead said that it would celebrate everything we stand for, winning. Within 24 hours, Trump's token raked in as much as $14 billion in market cap. It was quickly followed by the launch of Melania's own crypto token, which saw a wave of inflows too. But as the president took office, the Trump token frenzy had many in the crypto community worried. They feared another meme coin craze could risk the legitimacy of an industry already beleaguered by scandal. A number of meme coins have had their 15 minutes of fame, but these tokens really captured mainstream attention at the height of the last bull cycle.
They're created every day. They pump, they dump, people move on. Very few of them maintain value.
Meme coins are a kind of cryptocurrency that thrive on hype. They're not meant to be useful, but instead play on lighthearted internet culture. They're meant to be fun.
It's entertainment. It's going to the casino and sitting at the craps table with all your buddies, and hopefully everyone's rolling and it's a hot table, right? That's kind of the heart of what you're doing when you're investing into meme coins.
The biggest player in that last bull cycle was Dogecoin.
Dogecoin is kind of the quintessential meme coin that started meme coins, right? It was made as a joke.
Its market cap peaked at $88.7 billion. That's bigger than companies like Chipotle, Dell Computers, and Capital One. It was talked about across crypto Twitter, and it even captured the attention of the social media platform's eventual owner, Elon Musk, who hosted SNL in May of 2021. And all eyes were on the billionaire to see if he'd shout out the meme coin.
Oh, so it's a hustle. Yeah, it's a hustle.
We should note that moment led to a sell-off, but that's sort of how meme coins work. They often trade on feeling, speculation, and popularity, not necessarily on fundamentals.
To the moon!
It's an attention economy, and you'll watch, a coin take off and people will rotate from one to another.
And as the crypto market marched higher in 2021, so did other meme coins. Shiba Inu, a play on Dogecoin, peaked at roughly $41 billion in market cap in October 2021. But then, 2022.
It was a tough moment. Sam Bankman-Fried was, one of the biggest financial stories that I think mainstream media had picked up on in years.
So in the wake of all that, the industry needed to build back its image, and some didn't think that dog-themed coins would be taken too kindly by Wall Street banks or regulators.
It actually allowed us to teach the world that Bitcoin is different than this. And I think that success was marked by the launch of the spot ETFs.
My opinion 5 years ago was wrong. Here's my opinion today. This is what I believe in today. I believe the opportunity today. I believe Bitcoin is legitimate.
In January 2024, as Bitcoin's price and reputation was in recovery, major asset managers launched nearly a dozen ETFs on U.S. exchanges tied to the price of Bitcoin. Now, the spot Bitcoin ETFs allowed big-name issuers like BlackRock and Fidelity to hold Bitcoin directly. It was a shining example of legitimacy for the crypto industry and shuttled Bitcoin to new all-time highs. But 2024 wasn't done bringing Bitcoin to the mainstream.
Hello, Bitcoiners. Thank you very much. Hello. It's good to be with you. If I am elected, it will be the policy of my administration, United States of America, to keep 100% of all the Bitcoin the U.S. government currently holds or acquires into the future. We'll keep 100%. I hope you do well, please.
His base has a general distrust of the government. And Mr. Trump realized that many in the crypto community have a similar mistrust, and that he could appeal to their emotions by saying he understood where they were coming from.
This is the steel industry of 100 years ago. It really is. I think you're just in your infancy. I can see it happening.
When Trump won, Bitcoin soared past the $100,000 price threshold for the first time ever. Then came more promises from now President-elect Trump. A crypto and AI czar, for one, but also some promises that raised eyebrows. A Department of Government Efficiency nicknamed Doge, a possible nod to the meme coin. And that brings us to, well, Trump coin.
I thought he was hacked. I thought someone hacked his Twitter account because the way it was announced just seemed like you can sometimes see all these spams and things like that. And I was like, I don't know. But you know what? I'm going to throw one Solana in just because.
We're just excited to see crypto being adopted in all forms. And over time, we're going to trust our customers and the American economy to sort out ultimately what matters most.
Mr. Trump has done many things over the years. Meme coins are something new. And time will tell exactly what he's doing with them and how that affects his job as president of the United States.
The launch of the token in the run-up to his inauguration was met with mixed reaction from the crypto community.
Bitcoiners really showed up for Trump in this election. Some of the verbal promises he made in Nashville was for a Bitcoin reserve, for certain Bitcoin policy. There was fear because of the meme coin that meant he wasn't going to do it.
It's easy to dismiss things like meme coins as unimportant, but I think what we saw in the early development of the internet, for example, was that cat videos ultimately led to mass adoption of YouTube.
You could buy into anything and lose money on it, but when you are the most influential man in the world right now, it's a little dangerous.
One of the biggest concerns was how the token worked and, more importantly, how it might line the pockets of the president.
It doesn't give you any cash flow rights. It doesn't give you any voting rights. It just gives you this warm feeling inside that you're supporting our dear president.
The website for Trump token says that 80% of coins are held by the Trump Organization and its affiliates. You can see that breakdown of ownership here. And then this chart shows that at the 3-month mark, those insiders can start selling their stake of coins. That increases over the course of the next 3 years. And then over here is Melania's meme token, where only 15% of those coins are available for public distribution.
It's created in a way that they're going to dilute it over time. More tokens are going to be released, so that inevitably the price is going to go down and down.
No one really knows how to relate to these things yet. How do you think about the President of the United States launching a meme coin? Nobody knows the answer to that question.
So what's this mean for meme coins and Trump coin in the era of Trump's presidency? And maybe more importantly, what ethical concerns are raised by a presidential meme token?
Cryptos were designed from the start to be censorship resistant. And so this raises a lot of ethical questions as to who is actually putting money into these and what do they expect to get for it.
It's a green light to the country, to the world, saying, hey, crypto's here, right? Meme coins are a thing. I made one. Look at it. It's the biggest. It's the best. It's gone to billions and billions. I hear Trump saying this in my head.
We reached out to the issuers of Trump and Melania's respective tokens, as well as the White House, but haven't heard back yet.
Okay, that's all for Crypto World this week. We'll be back again on Monday, and we'll see you then.